Okay, short video on the ZT Bad Boy mower with the Kohler 7000 engine. I'm going to put another PTO switch in. Now I've had this thing for 10 years, the mower, and I've replaced, this will be my third switch on this. Now this one says it's designed for 10 amps. I don't know what stock is. But the thing about these switches is that where they come together, where my thumb is, you see how I super glued that. They have a problem where they come apart right here, and then these things just basically fall apart. So, and these are affordable. You'll go through all the switches. Like another thing I'm about to do, let me put that up, is right over here. I'm going to be replacing the ignition switch. You can see how that thing's gotten wallered out and messed up. I have replaced the linear actuator, which is for the mower height. Basically, I'm just going to take this panel out and pop these out and pop this new one in. This new one has a different style of key. The key is different than the original, and that's the thing about these. The electronics seems to go pretty damn regular on these things. So a little bit of information to help you guys out. So short video. Have a good one. We'll catch you on the next one.